Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid and today we are going to explore another valuable chart in Tableau, the area chart over time. This type of chart is perfect for visualizing how data performs over a specific period. It helps us to identify trends and patterns in your data. In this chart, the y-axis represents the sales values, showing how much sales were made in each time period. This gives us an easy way to visualize the sales across different months. The x-axis represents the months. This timeline helps us see how sale trends over the selected period. The area under the line is filled with color, making it easy to visualize the volume of sales. The higher the peak, the greater the sales during that period. For example, notice the decline in sales around June 2021. This sharp rise indicates a period of high sales. After this peak, sales starts to decline. In year of 2022, we observed several ups and downs, showing that sales were inconsistent during this period. And that's your quick introduction to area charts in Tableau. So the first step is to bring the date to our view. So drag the date from the data pane to the column. Now we need to see the sales over time. So drag the sales from data panel to the rows. Tableau automatically creates a line chart showing the sales by year. We want to sales by month instead of year. So for this, I have to replace this year. So I'm clicking on this and I will replace this with my months. Right now we have a line chart. To turn it into an area chart, go to the mark section and you will see the chart type is set to line by default. Right now we have a line chart. To turn it into an area chart, I need to visit this mark section, and from this I'm going to select this area chart. So we have just created a basic area chart in Tableau. It's a simple yet powerful way to visualize data trends over time.